Next, Weather Chief Meteorologist Ivan Cabrera joins us now with another update. And Ivan, it's interesting because just 24 hours ago, the focus was on Tampa Bay, but now we're really concerned about the area where Naja is in Fort Myers.
Absolutely. And in fact, Tampa Bay was breathing a sigh of relief early this morning because, you know, the trend has been not just further east, but further south here, right? And so that puts Tampa Bay in an offshore wind situation there where the bay actually goes out into the Gulf as opposed to the Gulf going into the bay, which was a very real prospect just 24 hours ago. But this has continued to shift further south and further east, and so yeah, Fort Myers, Cape Coral, that whole area could be under the gun. Now these things will jog north and south, so it is not set in stone as far as this making landfall to the north of Fort Myers and all that water piling in. That could change, and we could jog a little bit further to the south, and that would put Fort Myers, where Tampa is now, in a better situation. So let's just hope for the best here. But the forecast is calling for this to make a very close pass at Fort Myers and perhaps even bringing the worst of the storm surge ashore. Look at the Key West here, 49, 50. I mean, this has been basically into the 40s and 50s as far as the sustained winds. We had that 75-mile-an-hour wind gust just a few minutes ago, but right now it's back to 70 here, so this is going to be a long night. And it's not just these bands, it's the fact that, well, get out of the way, be able to see a hurricane here in the eye of it just to the west of Key West as everything continues to move up to the north. Miami-Dade, Broward, we've been faring better as far as the wind. Of course, that was always going to be the case, 20s, 30s for the gusts. Issue here has been all these bands that have been rolling through that have, well, obviously, as you saw there, dropping tornadoes all the while. But right now, not seeing anything that is suspicious looking to me as far as any rotation. That is not going to be the case throughout the night. Tornado watch will continue to be in effect. Still looking at pockets of very heavy rainfall here and just freshwater flooding for us, although some minor coastal flooding will be an issue with high tide, which, by the way, is just 12 minutes away there in Key West. So that'll be the worst of it as far as the surge. Look at how large this hurricane is. I mean, this thing extends up from Jacksonville as far as the outer bands all the way down into Cuba. And look at these arms here, these feeder bands that continue pushing south to north, and so this, it's taking so much real estate that it's going to be a while before we get out of these bands, and each of those can, put down significant amounts of rain, and also, of course, some very strong gusts along with the potential for rotating thunderstorms, that is tornadoes. So here's the latest track, taking it as a Category 4, very close to the Fort Myers area for tomorrow, and then continuing off to the north and east, weakening, of course, once it makes landfall as it goes inland. The surge for the Keys, that hasn't changed, 2 to 4 feet. The worst of it, again, coming tonight. And we have minor coastal flooding that will continue at times of high tide for Broward, coastal Broward, and also Miami-Dade as well. So the flood watch encompassing the whole, state here, basically, for heavy rain. And then we'll have periodic times where we'll have either flood advisories or flash flood warnings, depending on how much rain is falling at a particular time. And then all of us into a tornado watch as we head through the remainder of tonight. And that, of course, is because those bands are moving in and spinning as they do so. As far as the 7-day forecast, we are going to get out of this, obviously, at some point here. I think Thursday will be our transition day, and the fact that we're going to have strong winds still Thursday morning, but then by the afternoon, things will calm down, and no alert day for Friday. We are getting back to our typical afternoon showers and thunderstorms Friday, heading into the weekend for Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures there in the 80s and rain coverage at around 50%.